You never know. Where's that at? I can't see.
I know. It's a little bit. If they'd set up a little bit further upriver.
But we still got pretty much of it. Amazing. Okay, where is it? There it is. Let's see you get a copy.
You're right. This is a fairly long.
Yeah. I've been at 50,000 people events that didn't have fireworks this long. I'm sure they don't have 50,000 for that stadium. I've seen fireworks on the 4th of July a lot less. Oh, there goes the highway. Come on now, no duds at the end. Under bombardment.
I'm glad we didn't have an 8 o'clock show tonight.
Yeah. I think they're under attack. I think that was it, but I hear cheering, that's it. Thank you, Wichita! Thank you, Wichita! She does it over upside down. Okay. Yay, Wichita!